Horsey. Clip clop, clip clop, clip clop. Who says quack, quack, quack?
You know that one, Chi-Chi.
Who says quack, quack? Duck. Yeah. Who says meh, meh?
Sock.
That's a silly goat eating a sock. What's wrong with you, Mr. Goat? Who says woof, woof? Woof, woof.
Boogie.
There's a birdie over there. That's right. But who says woof, woof?
Tree.
See the birdie?
Tree.
Pretty tree, yes. Woof, woof, says the dog. Look, there's a little bird having a drink out of his water bowl. He's thirsty. He's thirsty. What else do we have?
Meow, meow, meow.
Kitties. That's right.
Kitties.
Kitties. So cute.